How to get and use Groupon promo code. We are ready to help. Open up a preferred browser on your PC or a mobile device and search for Groupon promo code. In here, you will find various of websites dealing with the promo code of Groupon. So you can just go ahead and select any of the website that you prefer. So in there, you will find various of promo code that you can select from. If you find any of that is fit for you, just tap on Copy Coupon. Just tap on Copy or tap on Visit Groupon to use it in instance. Now wait until you are redirected to the official homepage. So as we all know that Groupon is a global e-commerce marketplace connecting consumers with local businesses by offering discounted deals on various products and services, fostering a mutually beneficial platform. So if you're wondering how to redeem the code, it is pretty simple. Just purchase an item from the Groupon website, and when you're checking out, you will find a promo code dialog box. You just have to go ahead and enter your promo code right there, or the promo code is already applied to your purchase. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.